Hi, I'm Peter from FABLAB Winner, and today I want to introduce you to our latest fabricated hand wash stations. These hand wash stations are made by FABLAB. FABLAB is an organization that is based in Kisumu near Sky FM along Ramogi Road. And today we'll be looking at some of the parts of this hand wash station. Specifically, we'll be looking at this fully assembled one, and some of the parts that we have used are like basins which can be purchased from local store. We have a draining pipe, we have spout taps, and we have some acrylic black sheet which have been CNC'd and cut using plasma machines. For the purpose of this demonstration, we are using a jerry can, but this pipe can be connected directly from a tap. The water from jerry can is sucked by a process of stepping on this pump. Then water from the pump is pushed up to the tap. For soap holding, we have provided a space where you can mount for this design. We went for a polished stainless steel to be used as a mirror. So currently it's still wrapped, but when peeled off, when the wrap is peeled off, there is that reflection appearance of your image.
For more information, you can reach FABLAB Winam at our social media handles at FABLAB Winam. You can also call us on 0704960992, or you can send us an email at fablabwinam@gmail.com.